Today is my first day at work. Today is my first day at work. Today is my first day at work. I wear my office clothes. I wear my office clothes.
I comb my hair. I comb my hair.
I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I drink coffee.
I pack my bag. I pack my bag.
I leave my house. I leave my house. I call a taxi. I call a taxi. I arrive at the office. I arrive at the office. I enter the building. I enter that building. I talk to the receptionist. Hello, how can I help you? I talk to the receptionist. That's very good. You're very polite. I show my ID card. I show my ID card. I take the elevator. I take the elevator. I take the elevator. I meet my manager. I meet my manager. I introduce myself. I introduce myself. I introduce myself. I meet new coworkers.
Welcome to the team.
So nice to meet you. I meet new coworkers at. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I check my emails.
I write notes. I write notes.
I attend a meeting. I attend a meeting.
I listen carefully. I listen carefully.
I ask a question. I ask question. I drink water. I drink water. I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I talk to my coworkers. I talk to my coworkers.
Finish my work.
I shut down my computer. I shut down my computer. I leave the office. I leave the office. I go home happily. I go home happily. I rest after work. I rest after work.